Welcome to my channel. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. So here is the tomatoes, and right now we are making homemade noodles. So we got green onions, we just got a lot of it, and this is the left over. So we're gonna skip it for the next time. So here it is. And Chichi has washed spring onions already. You can look here at it. And now we're gonna take this capsicum and tomato. We're gonna wash them too. Wash it before cutting. So now let's cut everything and then we'll show you guys. Hello guys, so here right now I'm washing the onions. And the capsicum, tomato and green onion. We'll keep it here. And once the sauce is ready, then I'll show you. Hello guys, so here I have made the sauce. It's ready and